What's up, Pokeball?
Okay, keep going.
We're gonna open.
Okay.
What do we got from Christmas?
A booster bundle
Of what?
of Pokemon.
Paradox Rift.
Paradox Rift.
And we
it
have-
matches your sweatshirt
We have
color, kind of.
Gram, who was the gifter of the gift. Let's see what we can find.
Now what?
Ooh. Ooh.
All right, which one do I get? Do we
can
just
get
do
the
random?
front one.
All right.
All right.
Is there a certain way to do it? You
Yes.
You go to
You open
the
it
back.
back.
you do it carefully, like that, and there, and then what?
Rip it from the top like you're opening anything,
Oh no.
or from the bottom.
Okay.
Sometimes it's easier from
You
no.
need help?
Yes,
Okay, Otto
I
will
do
get
need help.
started.
because I'm scared I'm going to ruin your cards.
Oh, it's a fighter.
Maybe
There
Otto
they-
will get started.
Oh.
Okay, now.
Now pull.
Mom, go down the seam.
Go down the seam.
Go down the seam. Rip the seam.
There
we
we go.
Oh,
Got it.
You got it. All right.
Now what do we do?
Okay, now
Turn 'em
flip
over.
it Yeah. Don't spoil it.
Don't spoil it yet.
I don't understand. Don't spoil.
You gotta go
Yeah,
one at
show
a
the
time.
code,
There's the code.
and then flip it
Flip
over.
it over. And we'll go. No. Flip the whole thing over. Okay.
And go.
Go one at a time and read their names off.
Electro Bullet.
No, his name's at the top.
I can't pronounce these things. Galvantilia.
Yep.
Mantiki. Oh, he swims. Pansage. Kind of like a panda bear, only like a frog. Minion. Minion. Gliscor. The booster energy thing. Woo! Semenage. Bound Sweet. Crustal. Ooh, he's a little crab with like a
Oh,
treasure
that's the
chest.
hit.
Galopsided.
shiny.
Ooh.
Okay. Good job.
And
Great.
whatever this is.
Basic energy.
Ooh.
Okay. You don't really get a hit. You
No.
can get a pull.
That's okay.
Pulls look cooler.
You'll see. Otto's gonna do one now. Code card. Boom. Okay.
Flip it over. That guy.
Hold on. Got my finger in the way. Okay.
Weevil. That guy.
See, Otto just says that guy. Luxurious cape.
Snorlax doll. Interesting. Ooh, they make shiny trainers now? What's that?
Ooh, it says ancient. It's a new thing. Earthen vessel. It's fine, bud.
Crystal.
Wetzel.
Ooh,
Ooh.
this is a pull.
Woo!
And then, here's the
See, it's a full art.
Bullard trainer.
See how it's all the card instead of like it's full art. Okay.
Full art.
All right, back up a little bit. You're good. You can still see.
Come over by Papa Joe and look.
Okay.
Yep.
Next
Finger-
pack.
Finger. This is very professional camera work.
There's that. That guy. Bolaki thing. Off-brand Pikachu. Octagon. Norman. Okay. Box. Person. That guy. So that was a hollow. Those are like
Just little cards
They're
that
just-
do things, but nothing exciting. Nothing like.
full art. And we go to the next one.
And you're saving this
Halfway
guy out
in.
because he's the best one
Special.
so far.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pretty sure that's a girl.
Eureka.
I mean, this card
See,
out.
it's got 2 stars.
Shit's special. Whoa, what happened there? Our energy.
Wait.
What?
What?
Look
No, it's
it.
dinged up.
Oh no.
Did you get the?
Oh, the code. Oh, okay.
That thing?
Okay, don't hold it more like this.
Oh.
This. So I can see. There you go.
Okay.
Flamingo. I can pronounce that one. Earthen vessel.
And
Ooh.
he's golden.
Oh, sweet.
Golden go. Look at that funny guy.
And her dinged up energy. This one isn't dinged up. 2
The
poles.
shinier the better. That's what we know.
Okay.
And 2 packs.
This is all new to me. Well, it isn't. It's different. We didn't do it this way when they were boys.
Well, I didn't have Pokemon cards and baseball cards. There was no YouTube.
Richie had Pokemon cards and so did Jason.
No, they send magic cards.
Wimpod. El
Which they still make.
Eel killed. That's cool.
Yes, it is.
It's like faded.
That has. Okay.
Not tank. No hit.
Something shiny.
Ooh. This is not. Ooh.
It's a what?
It's still shiny.
Shiny.
Shiny's,
Okay.
Shiny's
Shinier.
makes you go
equals
ooh.
better.
It's like fireworks.
Last pack.
Last pack.
Say last pack magic.
Last pack magic.
That's Pokemon.
Struggle bus.
Some of these packs are like.
Well, still well sealed. Code.
That thing. Okay. Future.
That's new things.
Yeah. Jolt it.
Ooh.
Woo!
Ooh.
Ooh, 2 ooh in a row.
This one's like ooh. This one's ooh.
That's good. Who knows? We'll see. That's what we do. We think they're good, and then we look them up on eBay to see how much they're worth.
Okay.
So that's it. Thanks for watching.
Keep balling.
Keep balling.
Keep balling.